Can I ask you one word?
Okay.
What's the meaning of what?
It means today is Tuesday. Tomorrow. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Long Meng and you?
My name is Rachana. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And how about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. How old are you?
I'm 11 years old. And how old are you?
I'm 12 years old. Where do you study?
I study Khmer in Graphic at Business School. And how about you?
I study English in Graphic at Business School. I want to go to library. I want to read book. Do you want to go with me?
Yes, I do. I want to go to library too.
Okay, let's go.
Can I ask you one word?
Okay.
What's the meaning of what?
It means today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Thank you.
How was your feeling after you went to the library?
I'm happy and excited. And how about you?
I'm happy too. What you learn in library?
I learned some words. Tomorrow, next weekend, next week, next month, next year. I want to go to library again.
Okay, I want to go to library again too.
Okay, goodbye. See you next time. Thank you for today.
Okay, goodbye. See you next time. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye bye.